If you are in Miami, there is one place that isn't just a restaurant, it's a rite of passage. Welcome to Versailles. Located right here on the legendary Calle Ocho in Little Havana, this isn't just a place to eat. It is the unofficial town square of the Cuban diaspora and arguably the most famous Cuban restaurant in the world. Since opening its doors in 1971, Versailles has been the heartbeat of Miami's political and social life. Step inside and you're transported back in time. The dining room is iconic, etched glass mirrors reflecting golden chandeliers, giving the space a grandeur that feels both elegant and incredibly homey. It's loud, it's vibrant, and it's always packed. You'll see families who have been coming here for generations, politicians shaking hands, and tourists soaking in the history. But let's be honest, you're here for the food. The menu here is a masterclass in Cuban comfort food. You have to start with the appetizers. The ham croquetas are legendary, crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. But the main event? The classic Cuban sandwich. We're talking sweet ham, roast pork, Swiss cheese, pickles and mustard, all pressed between fresh Cuban bread until it's perfectly toasted and golden. If you want something heartier, go for the Ropa Vieja. It's shredded beef stewed in a rich tomato-based criollo sauce with peppers and onions. Served with black beans, white rice, and sweet plantains, it is the definition of soul food. The flavors are bold, authentic, and exactly what you'd expect from a place that has set the standard for over 50 years. And before you leave, you cannot miss La Ventanita, the famous walk-up window outside. This is where the real magic happens. Order a cafecito, a potent sweet shot of Cuban espresso, and just watch the world go by. It's high energy, high caffeine, and pure Miami. Whether you're here for the politics, the pastries, or the people watching, Versailles delivers an experience you can't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Miami food adventures.